So my friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today, we're talking about Litecoin. Yeah, I kept forgetting to make this as a video. Now I got reminded again over the weekend. Now this video is definitely about whether I'm going to buy in here. If so, how my analysis is also for the possible bull run and where I see the next resistances. So definitely stay tuned until the end. Before we start, feel free to give video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and of course feel free to rejoin the free Telegram talk and signal group. If you're up for updates, news and signals, feel free to join in. You can find the link below in the video description, in the comments section. If you're still looking for an exchange to buy or trade Litecoin, I recommend my partner, the exchange BingX. You can find the link in the video description, comment section. So, Litecoin, market cap of $8.7 billion. That's intense. We already had two here. Runs 2017, and of course then also 2022. Since then, the thing has pretty much been stuck in the range between $50 and $100. Looking at the market cap, it actually still looks relatively decent. We had our all-time high up here at just under $23 billion. So that means here are definitely 2x more, at least when it comes to the market cap. Let's take a look at chart. We're trading at $115 US. I have to honestly say the chart structure, I don't really find that bullish, because here we have more of a formation of a small double top. Let's also pull up the fib level from our high to our low. Then, yeah, to be honest, it doesn't really look bullish. Also because we only managed to get above the golden pocket for one day. From a daily perspective, I'm not really that excited, to be honest. But well, most altcoins just look terrible right now, or have looked bad in the last few weeks and are even hitting new lows. And for that, you have to say it's holding up. Litecoin has relatively good timing, so that's a plus point for Litecoin. Still, I should have made this video a bit earlier, because we've already been twice from this upward structure back when we rose from $65 to $147. We've already been down here in this box at $95 US 2 or 3 times. The best case was even down here last month, the pivot, so that would be, does anyone want to jump in here? Here's another chance down here at the golden pocket. I'd say from about 97, 98 US dollars down to 92 US dollars. In my opinion, this is the chance to do a bit of DCA, because the next price range where I would probably strike again if I were you would be down here, around 74 to 65 would be down here first. So around 74 to 65 US dollars. And then we would already be back at bear market levels down here at 45, 46 US dollars. Well, to be honest, I don't wish for that, because then we would know where Litecoin probably stands, and the altcoins won't be that weak either. So these three zones I would keep an eye on for DCA if I were you. Personally, I won't be buying any Litecoin. I'll be honest with you. I already have too many altcoins in my portfolio. I don't want to just throw more into my portfolio here. That's why I'm staying on the sidelines for now. This video is meant for you. Still, if we see this move, we should go down again here in this zone. I can imagine a run up, especially if this zone starts to perform. But how far can this go? Can this run up happen? So, we have the next big resistance if we look here. Of course, we have also pulled the fib level down from the last all-time high, but still, the first big resistance for me is up here in the box between $153 and just under $166. That would also be a first justified small take profit. Even if you just entered here, I would already take some light profits. After that, it could quickly head towards 227 or even 200. $272.83. Even 200. $271, and that would be roughly it. I'll say all-time high market cap. That's what I said. You should pay a bit of attention to that. So the first mini take profit would be here in this green area. The second would be up here around, well, now we have to go back here, up here at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. And yes, the third, or rather the second big one, would be up here in the golden pocket. And then it will be decided. Let's take another look at the all-time high. At the moment, I'm not assuming that, as I said. I honestly believe that we will eventually rise towards the golden pocket, bull run, and or rise from either the bull run is over and we drop back down to the ground, or we get support at the 0.5 Fibonacci and then rise further. And then you can also think about it, you might invest again somehow depending on a pullback or not. That's your decision. But that's just my humble price prediction for now. It's still a few percent, so from the current position up to here it's 150. You can take about a percentage. If you don't have a Litecoin ratio, feel free to share your opinion in the comments. Are you invested or not? Write it down below. And also share your altcoin wishes as well. We'll see each other in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, until then, bye. And as always, stay crypto.